I'm looking at the Breville Halo rotisserie air fryer oven. Now I'm going to open it up. Obviously I'll give everything a good clean up before I use it. I'll have a read through the instructions and set it up and try it out. That's the instructions. As I say, I should have a good read through them. Inside, metal tray bits, this corrugated cardboard, inside there's grills, trays, main oven, all this lifts straight out. Box down. There's the oven and the plug. Just move the box out of the way. Plug sealed in plastic. Got a plastic sleeve on it. And it comes off. Off. As all the doors are sealed, plastic sheet over the controls, take that off, 2 plastic tapes holding the door. Let's have a look inside, I can open it. With a cardboard holding it, and cardboard holding this. I presume that's the rotisserie. As I say, I'm going to unpack all this and I'll give it all a wash and clean before I try anything in it. Comes off. Rotisserie, got bits inside there, there's a catch to open it. There's a tray for the bottom. Slots in. Okay. Right, as I say, I shall have a good read through the manual and then I'll come back and I shall try it out. I've now got this set up and I've had a good read through the manual, and I'm going to try it out first of all with some chips. These are just cut potatoes, not frozen chips. Going to load them into the cage. Fairly big opening on it, so should be able to tip them in. Knock that shut. Right, it says you have to go in left hand side first and make sure that's clicked in properly. Yeah, I can feel that go in. That's in. Close it up. I did run this as per the manual. I ran it for 20 minutes on hot to get rid of the manufacturing taint. Right, hold the power button. So I want chips, rotary and start. Now as these are cut chips, I'm presuming they may need a bit longer than frozen chips. We'll see. I'll check them after that finishes and see how they've gone. This is now on the last 12 seconds of the cycle, so it should stop in a second, or in 5 seconds rather. and I'll have a look, see how they've gone. Now it comes up the end, open up. I've got this to take it out. If I put it as this, then plate. It seems to have certainly done a good job of that. I didn't need to give them any extra time. They look pretty good and evenly cooked. Let's just try one. Yeah, perfect. Well, I'm going to give it a try with something else and see how it does with that. I'm now going to give this a test with a whole chicken. I put it on the spikes provided with the rod through the middle of the chicken and locate it in the left hand side first. That is a bit fiddly to do. I've tightened the spikes, the little turn nut on there to tighten it and hold it tight. So let's give it a go and see how it comes out. And start. It started turning and it'll heat up to the temperature, and then I check it once it's finished. This is now counting down and it's now ended. I shall get the chicken out and see how it's done. See if it's cooked right through. I've got this handle to get it out. To take it off at one side, then move it to the other. I shall leave that to rest because that's going to be very hot. I shall just check it's cooked through. Let's just turn it. Nice and crisp. Yeah, and that's cooked right through. And that's it. I'm going to try it out with a variety of other things, and then I shall come back with my full written review. Cleaning wise, you just wipe it down inside with soapy water. Most of the things inside are dishwasher friendly, and the door detaches, but you can't immerse it in water, but you can take it off to clean it. Anyway, as I say, I shall come back with my full written review.